Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs in boiling water without vinegar. Achieving perfect poached eggs is simpler than you might think, even without adding vinegar. The key is starting with very fresh eggs and the right water temperature. We'll begin by gathering our simple tools: a medium pot, a slotted spoon, and a small bowl. Then, we'll prepare our water for poaching. Now let's prepare our eggs and water. Carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This step is crucial because it helps maintain the egg's shape and prevents the yolk from breaking when it enters the water. Meanwhile, ensure your pot of water is at a gentle simmer, with tiny bubbles forming but not a rapid boil. This controlled heat is essential for success. With your water gently simmering, it's time to poach. Carefully slide one egg at a time from its bowl into the hot water. Avoid dropping them in, as this can cause splashing and breakage. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook each egg for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, simply extend the cooking time by about 1 minute. Remember, do not overcrowd the pot. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to retrieve them. Gently lift each poached egg from the water using a slotted spoon, allowing any excess water to drain away. Place your beautiful, perfectly poached eggs directly onto your plate. They are wonderful served immediately on warm toast, with avocado, or as a delightful addition to many other dishes. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.